Welcome, today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the notification panel, and after that we can see here the icons. We can add here more icons or to remove some icons from here, or if you want to just change their position, just click here to the edit icon, and after that here we can see all of these just icons which we can add to our notification panel. For example, to add the location, just hold it and drag it here to this up section. By the same way, we can add here more icons, just should hold it and drag it here to the up section. If you want to remove some icons, by the same way, just hold it and drag this icon to the down section. Also, just to change the positions of the icons, hold it and drag it by this way. And so we can see that here is nothing difficult to do. Just to save the changes, click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.